for all verified facts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The schooling model has remained pretty much the same for a long time now. You attend classes, make notes, then memorize those notes just to pass your exams. A few daring parents decided to break away from the system and homeschool their child. There are no textbooks, no syllabus, and no exams. Confused? Well, here's Urmila Sampson, founder of Homeschooling Network Swashikshan, to explain what homeschooling really is.
Homeschooling is quite different in the sense that the world is the classroom, and parents decide not to outsource education to people who don't know their children and who may not know the whole wide range of possibilities outside of the curriculum. In homeschooling, parents are more interested in the all-round development of children, in seeing what their strengths are, in exploring subjects beyond the curriculum, beyond just the ability to be tested on material which has just been memorized.
Parents of homeschoolers believe that schools do not help their child in reaching their maximum potential. Parents then try to create a more open and flexible environment for their child to grow.
You have the structured homeschoolers on one side of the spectrum, where they might have tuition teachers, or the parents might be good at teachers, or one parent may be a good teacher. Some might have a kind of a structure which revolves around, say, if the child is more into sports, then or theater or dance. And then there are others who, as I said, on the free end of the spectrum, where they study, they may not even study math at all. And they may wake up anytime, and there would be no timetable at all, and there would be no tests or exams or anything.
There is no accepted pattern or right way to go about homeschooling. While not all, but many homeschoolers do decide to give their exams.
The homeschoolers prefer NIOS or IGCSE. NIOS is an open school board, National Institute of Open Schooling. Any child can apply for 10th and 12th. And IGCSE is the 10th, and A levels is the 12th board exam of Britain, England, UK.
But how easy or difficult is it to give up on regular schools? Mumbai-based Pooja and Amit tell us why they homeschool their two boys.
So my kids are, one is 13 years old and the other one is 7.5 years old. And we have been homeschooling family since last 2.5 years, rather almost 3 years. So what motivated us is that we saw that the kids were not actually learning per se. They were not doing anything. They were just rote learning things without knowing the meaning of it, or without knowing as to why this particular thing is, why any topic, any given topic is required for them to learn or to know things about it. We wanted to go beyond just the bookish knowledge and explore the crutches of whatever topic they learn. Elder one, as he said, that he wants to be a footballer. So we are giving him whatever kind of platform he requires so that he can actually excel in becoming a good footballer.
Despite not going to school, expenditure on their children's learning remains pretty much the same.
So practically, I would say financially, it is more or less the same. End of the day, a regular parent or us, we would be spending almost the same amount.
But is homeschooling for everyone?
Yeah, so the basic point is, first of all, you need to discuss with the kids. Because if someone is really okay with a normal education system, I don't think so it is required to do a homeschooling in that particular case. The basic question what parents need to ask and understand is why they want to do a homeschooling. That's the main question. You need to create your own path practically. So there will be challenges, there will be lot of things which are there. Social pressure, family pressure, all those kind of things need to be there. So you need to be very clear in your mind when you want to go for a homeschooling, why you really wanted to do it.